Bedofo, my memo aquaba and foundbra GCN page so Munyaba address me and I make a say. Now, Mestros will be subscribe to my channel. Now, don't say, Emia Bell on so. Be a notification and send my coso memo, you're being a beauty, and I so being a beer share, GCN page ha. Woman be our friend or Amanda or Facebook now or your blogger. Done anybody share or tell butchery. Now, what you come racing so, Eddie Afia Schwarzenegger, Temenya Sem Ketuakra. Na some more catch Afia Schwarzenegger in an Afia Schwarzenegger and senya hashtag fix the country beto day. Only Afia Schwarzenegger no tumbi na Ghana for enemy say. Sananado and as MPP a person more fix the country in the and so fix an attitude. I didn't know Afia Schwarzenegger ebekasa because Afia Schwarzenegger any credibility bia. Na Afia Schwarzenegger ensuya a year celebrities ni bi ete say Nadia Buari and na Jackie Afia and na ama Mark Brown more now on friend to nana more because only the can celebrity a enya de oka ho just only credibility bia onye the person e fe no a celebrity Amanda Canadian e de actually Afia nyasem keto akra na de nti Amanda e ka say na ene say na nsenya e na edusafo a ene Afia Schwarzenegger and then it said Diamond appear na ho keka ho ene to kwa ekoso internet ne so nyasem keto akra na eno na edusafo ande aba out is Afia Schwarzenegger ewo HIV ne guy bi onenete ewo HIV nti Afia Schwarzenegger so are affected na eno na guy no ama no mo akwakoche edusafo ade no akọ police station na Afia Schwarzenegger so call cells ho de camera call video a victims omo ewo prison ho no nyina robu okra order naked Afia Schwarzenegger the video no abeto internet so amafo bebre e ka ho asem na no na Amanda ababecha na address Afia Schwarzenegger de ye ka celebrity a on ka ho kwakrakra because emba omo waga na ha omo bu omo ho no Afia Schwarzenegger enka ho enti no Afia embo modena onsua obi ti se Nadia na ma na enti ensema Amanda e de esodwa
to come and put it on social media. Why one then and yenko HIV police station HIV test Afia Schwarzenegger. Police station. Why your hunti na mo bia so as if say unyo eba sister unyo bia uni ye we time. Time papa. Adie na why no time and bow your head in shame. You have to bow your head in shame. People like you don't have the right to tell anybody to change their attitude. You don't have the right to ask any Ghanaian to fix their attitude because you have to fix yours first. You think so you come and sit on social media and be asking people, fix your attitude. When you fix your attitude, you go, and your mindset, fix your mindset. Because if you have the right mindset, this is some of the celebrities, and they say Nadia Buari and co are respectful Ghanaian celebrities now. Sister, and yes, at the end of here, you know, we are one of the God. Just say you don't have principles. I don't get it. I just say you don't. I don't know. Sister, you don't have class. That's the thing. Can't you learn? Can't you learn from people like the Nadia Buari and co? You don't have. You just say like I'm like who is this now? Only went to say I don't want to do it. I'm acting as a lady. There is nothing like lady in you. You're always going to Ade, you don't have no level. Say, oh, I'm a celebrity. On Facebook, I have almost like 600 plus followers. Sister, don't you have class? If I now call school, yeah, and sure say when you get to a certain level in society, and you get beyond you should know how you talk to people. You should know how to address things because of that title. No, you have no, you sister, what need level? What need just say, what here? Just I don't get it. At times they say, not lady way crying. You drink, you do things, you're naked, you do everything, and then the people we say it's your brand. Even Cardi B, Cardi B or cry Ojai. She's even learning how to put on suit. She's becoming a lady. What kind of brand is that? No class. No class. You don't, lady like you don't have that. You were always fighting somebody. You were always doing. There is no single day, this lady. There is no single day you will not go and bring this nonsense controversies into our society. Enough. Afia Schwarzenegger, enough is enough. Enough, say, Obi be sorry what your community ni catch us say, Aye, because I didn't know why and why not. Why not? I didn't know what would you have to social media. No, yes, just say, God. I don't know so many passes are Ghana for. Ghana for so. I don't like it when people are insulting you. Seriously, when they attack you, they say that day that Kamal Mohammed was addressing you, gosh me your bar. I was so hurt. But because I want people to address you on in the yena or yena on common kofo, but obia is different. So what you say? But at times, I think say you deserve it. That is what you want. That is Hannah Wope. Sister, so when you are dinner, we are wrong. The associate, if you are so nine, and here would have found such a record. But Miss Ubeshia will level. One will say, oh, me, oh, my, share your woman, now years away. But what as I say, when medium, me work class, me work move fake, FAKE life now, mu living, fake, everything fake about you people, no. You live on blackmailing big guys. You live on extorting money from big people. No, my dear, me not perfect, but me honesty. I'm a very straightforward person. I can never do what you did. Me need to do that because it's wrong. I practice what I preach. I practice what I preach. Me nipa, but I practice what I preach. You don't practice what you preach because you came telling Ghana for say fix your attitude, not knowing your attitude. Just 3 days ago, when they fix their attitude, the country will be fixed. Obi, I open the country ni fixing it. So why did you go there and film her? Why did you go there? Afia, who called you there? Afia Schwarzenegger, you are a disgrace to you womanhood. You are a disgrace to womanhood. That's what we are very, very disgraced. I don't know why people are scared of you. Is it because we did your matter man and now be blackmail you? I think say it's both. It's both. Say people are scared. Say we did your matter. People are scared. Say we be blackmail you. Now me man didn't be blackmail me. Honey me assume you. I don't even know. I don't know why people are so scared of you. Who are you? We can criticize the president of the country, even Otunfo, and you, who are you? If you who are you? Say yes, Ghana, you do enough. I didn't know why you know. Yes, Ghana Police Service. Ghana Police Service arrest Afia Schwarzenegger. Ghana Police Service arrest Afia Schwarzenegger. Afia Nessa Yechino and ask her why she filmed and put it on social media. Ghana Police Service, you have to arrest Afia Schwarzenegger. Ghana Police Service, you have to arrest Afia Schwarzenegger. It's not fair. Now, see the difference between City with journalists, City FM TV station, almost journalists, and look at what Afia has put on social media. This is dangerous. Minya Ghana for share. Monty say obi ya dia, especially your celebrities no. Ghana and Kwana celebrities no, they behave anyhow. Now wama form wedi because of them. Because of said moyo omun Chrome Hamiti England. When Rooney okoye drink drive. Celebrities no omo form they are always apologizing to the public. Ghana, who say celebrities no mo yesa. Omo jinsa asif say muna like but they need you. Without you no Afia Schwarzenegger is nothing. Someone follow Afia Schwarzenegger, she is nothing. So Afia Schwarzenegger, when your followers were Instagram onyo bia, when your followers were Facebook onyo bia, when you and that is what it is. That is why Western world the followers, celebrities, normal followers they respect them. When Rooney konomonsa no drink drive, you didn't call courts. And you're convicting or issue statement or panic this phone especially and Kolankatin Kitina they are looking up to him. Afia Schwarzenegger, a dear or ye, a dear chin, or the ababa to the Facebook to say, Umami read it or Bonumu or Sabonum, the Baba Chemo, a dear and no pay, a Fia do betu or the betu. Ah, typical of Afia. So this is it. Or say the system is working. Ghana police, kindly take your 3 points. There's a huge difference between a lion and a lamb. Read that again. Afia. So who is the lion and who is the lamb? No. So you are calling, and you wanna girl, no. Afia was nigga, don't take that way, no. Because the girl, and you wanna arresting a dusafua. Stop bragging. I have all the informations. And you wanna arresting